29 Faces Challenge, Day 12. OMG! Hello everyone, this is Marta from I Love to Paint, aka Ayala Art. If you like acrylic painting, mixed media, and art journaling, this is your channel, so stay around for a little bit. I'm going to be working on a little face in this card. It was prepared with medium, and I am going to be using these colors. Some like avocado green, red, deep purple, almost black, so intense. Some grape purple-ish color, and orange. I think I'm going to use them all. I don't really know. I am going to be trying to make a face with hearts since Valentine's Day is around the corner. Let me know if you have any plans to join the celebrations of Valentine, but also join the challenge of 29 Faces. If you are participating, I would love for you to let me know how are you doing, if you're keeping up. And also, if you are new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss a video. Click on the bell and you will get notifications. Also, check on the information box below because I have links for the Facebook 29 Faces. But if you're not in Facebook, then I have also an Instagram hashtag, the blog where all of this started in 2012. And if nothing else, just follow me along as I try to finish one face a day and a video every day on the month of February. Alright, so I'm getting my pencil and you know the routine. I'm going to be just working on a sketch and then adding my colors. I think this is my sketch for now. I hope the pencil is showing clear. She has like a dress of hearts and maybe, I'm not sure yet, but in my mind I'm seeing maybe a little tiara of hearts. I will decide that once I start putting the paint. But for now, that gives me the hearts in red. That decision is taken, at least, you know, more traditional red hearts. And maybe the deep purple over here. I will bring some yellow for the hair, or maybe the orange. I don't know. As I am painting, I make the quick decision because it's just fun. Sometimes I know exactly what I want, and some other days I just let the drawing and the colors do whatever they want. All right. celebrating St. Valentine's Day as a day of friendship and love. So for those people that feel that right now they don't have a love, or they are feeling somewhat not so enthusiastic about Valentine's Day, I would say think of all the friendship that you have. Think of all the friends, family, maybe a neighbor, all the people that have done something good for you, and all the people that you do something good for. And if nothing else, you can celebrate it with me. I am your friend. And if you're in the 29 Faces group, we hang in there and you can see all the friends that are from all over the world. So it's not just about romantic love. It's about friendship love, love for art, and any good thing, plus chocolate. You can't beat that. I hope you're having fun watching all this series of videos and all the other faces that people are sharing all over different social networks of the 29 Faces Challenge. Look for the hashtag 29 Faces Challenge or 29 Faces or 29 Faces February 2018. I hope you're having fun. I hope you're participating, and I hope you remember to keep your paintbrush wet.